Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I got a special unboxing today. Recently, Shirtshow has gotten into the cap games. And I ended up getting his first cap he released. Todd, this one's for you, bud, over at shirtshow.co. You can pick this cap up over there. And it is the Rad cap. So, let's go ahead and get it open. Yeah, he uses expensive tape. Holy cow, this tape's pretty thick. All right. So, let me go a little bit about this. The Rad cap, it has like that 80s vibe type to it as far as like the design of the Rad logo. And I got that logo right here because I got the pin. And it kind of, like I said, it kind of reminds me of the 80s type font and look. Kind of like the Miami Vice type look. But here's the pin. As you can see the Rad pin there. How cool is that thing? But the first Rad cap, they came in a blue. It came in like the OG color, which is like a dark blue. It had like herringbone lines in it. But the one I got is after Lloyd Christmas. Anybody remember Lloyd Christmas? At my age, I'm sure you remember. Dumb and Dumber. So you're saying there's a chance. And this is it here. How sweet is this bad boy right here? Nice and bright. Yep. This has my name written all over it. Inside, it's even quilted. Do you like that, Ace? The Rad logo. I got a 59 centimeter. Man, this thing is soft. Super soft. And, well, before I put the little close-up there, what's your favorite clip from the original Dumb and Dumber? We're going to go ahead and show a close-up. Ace wants to get in the box. He's not going to fit, but he's going to try. And he's fitting in there. Look at this. Look at this. Ace is fitting in there like a glove. You got that, Ace? You fitting in that box okay, bud? Yeah? All right, so we're going to go ahead and pause the video, and I am going to show a close-up of the cap, and I'll be right back. What do you think, Ace? Huh. All right, so here is a close-up of the Rad cap. Again, this is the Loyd from Dumb and Dumber. Very bright colors. Looks great. And look how well that matches up in the back as well. So they definitely took their time getting the seams together. Of course, this is quilted. And let's see if it shows on this tag here exactly what this is. 59 centimeter. 100% wool. I'll be golly gee gracious. No polyester blend in this bad boy. Pure wool. That is a pretty cool looking inside too as well. All right, so this is the Loyd from Shirtshow, the Rad Cap Collection. We're going to go ahead and pause the video. I'm going to go ahead and try it on. I'll be right back. All right, so we got the Loyd here. I'm just going to bend the brim a little bit. Pretty excited about this cap. Got to shave my old noggin. It's been about a week. Looking a little scruffy, as my wife would say. All right. Drum roll, please. Oh, yeah. Oh, Nelly. You like that too, don't you, Ace? I do like it. Yeah, that is snazzy. Absolutely. You can pick this up at shirtshow.co. They got this, the Loyd, and the OG. Oh, yeah, Ace, you got that right, bud. This thing is awesome. Fantabulous. Wowzers. Yeah, so this is the Loyd, the Rad cap from shirtshow.co. Go pick one you up for you. You are, I mean, this feels, I wonder if this is 100% wool as well. Because it feels pretty similar. Yeah. So it is this is 100% wool as well. This is a hologram Paris. And this is, it feels just like this. I mean, it's perfect. Man, oh man. I can't wait to wear this. I just got to get me an orange suit. All right, everybody. Reviews of Moose. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my Redbubble channel, our page for any kind of merch. We got a lot of merch on there if you guys want to check some of that out with the gentleman's round table, as well as Reviews of Moose merch. But again, thanks for watching. Todd, thumbs up. This is a great cap. And go pick you up on a shirt show. Have a good day, everybody.